Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on this device. So actually Google has pre-installed collection of high-quality live wallpapers, and let's set them. You want to tap and hold any empty space on your home screen. Now let's select Wallpaper and Style. Now let's go to More Wallpapers and scroll down and select Living Universe category. Now you want to select the one that you like, that you wish to select. I will tap on this one. And let's press download button. Let's wait until it's downloaded. Okay, then you can tap next and also customize it a little bit. So decide if you want to have it for your lock screen and also for your home screen. And let's press apply button. Here it is. But additionally, on your Pixel 10 Pro device, you can select your own photo from your gallery. So again, let's long press home screen and select Wallpaper and Style. Now let's go to more wallpapers and let's again press more. Let's go to my photos and let me pick one photo from my gallery. I'll go with this one. Now let's tap on Effects button, then select Cinematic, and of course you want to toggle 3D motion switch to on. This should be on, and eventually tap check mark in the top right corner of your screen to set it on your home screen or lock screen or both screens. So that's it. That's how you can set live wallpaper on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. And if this was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.